Are you ready to unlock secret to a clean, perfectly functioning, fully automatic machine? Well, you're at the right place. Hi guys, my name is Wafi. I'm a trainer from Coffex Coffee. Today I'm going to share with you how to clean a fully automatic machine. To clean this coffee machine, we have two methods. For the first method, you need to clean the brew group. For a second method, you need to clean by using the tablet. So now I'm going to show you how to clean for the first method. Remove the dip tray and the coffee puck container. Open the service door. Push the lever and pull the handle of the brew group to remove it from the machine. After the cleaning process, rinse the brew group under the tap water. Let it air dry. Check the correct position of the brew group components. The brew group should be in the neutral position. Push the lever down in contact with the base of the brew group. Once you push the lever, now you can see the arrows are now aligned. At the same time, make sure also that the yellow locking hook is the highest possible position. Push it upwards until you hear a click. The last part, place back the residue blower. And then we put back the brew group to the right place. Close the service door and place back the coffee pot container and the drip tray. Now I'm going to show you how to clean by using the tablet for the second method with the Cafiza Ernex E42. So let's start. Press the clean button. Select clean. Scroll down to brew group clean. Press enter. And now press start button to proceed the cleaning process. Place back the water tank. Press button confirm. Now put a cleaning tablet in the pre-ground coffee compartment. There you go guys, the two methods on how to clean the coffee machine. And remember to do the regular maintenance and cleaning to make sure you get the full potential of the coffee machine. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please do thumbs up and subscribe in our channel at Coffex Coffee in YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Peace.